M1 Finance Invest and Borrow. This is a type of software that will allow you a platform to invest and borrow money throughout the platform here. A money management system. First feature you will get is invest, earn, spend, and borrow. You will get benefits on all of these spectrum of your finance management. Your strategy meets M1 intelligence. Put your strategy on the cruise control, auto invest, so you can just plan your future investment, your future whatever you call the stock exchange or anything you want to buy. You can simply keep it here in this one application. So yes, you can start drawing yourself with help of M1 in this video. This is just a short review in order to know you that what exactly this software provides you. As featured in Investopedia time, money-wise, the website look quite genuine. And yes, if you're a beginner, you can simply give it a try. There is nothing to give a try. The website looked really catching. So yeah, I would recommend to try it once. Thank you so much for watching the video.